Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to align a Jeep Wrangler. Proper alignment is crucial for your Jeep's performance, ensuring your tires wear evenly and your vehicle handles predictably. We will cover the essential adjustments: setting your toe, centering your steering wheel, and adjusting caster. Addressing these areas correctly will prevent common issues like a wandering steering wheel and premature tire wear, keeping your Jeep driving smoothly and safely on and off the road. Setting your toe-in is the first critical step. With your Jeep on level ground, measure the distance between the front and rear of your front tires. You want the front of the tires to be slightly closer together than the rear, ideally by 1/16 to 1/8 of an inch. To adjust, loosen the two clamps on the tie rod, then rotate the tie rod itself. Make small adjustments, remeasuring until you hit that sweet spot for optimal tire contact. After setting your toe, you'll likely need to center your steering wheel. This is a common adjustment, especially after any front-end work. With your tires pointing straight, loosen the two clamps on the drag link's adjustment sleeve. Then, rotate the sleeve to either shorten or lengthen the drag link. Small turns are key here. Check your steering wheel's position frequently until it is perfectly centered. This ensures your electronic stability control system functions correctly. Finally, let's talk about caster, which significantly impacts steering stability and how your wheels return to center. For most Wranglers, a caster angle around 6 degrees is ideal for good highway manners. If you have adjustable control arms or cam bolts, you can modify this angle. After all adjustments, take your Jeep for a test drive to ensure everything feels right. Recheck all your measurements and tighten every bolt to specification for a safe and properly aligned ride.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.